In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply an animation across all your slides in your Canva presentation. So I have an animation currently set to this slide in my presentation. I'm going to show it to you right now. So let's click present and then present. So as you can see, there's like an entry animation, and then when I leave, there's also an exit animation as well. But this animation doesn't exist in the other slides. As you can see, they just snap to the other slide. And I want to apply it across all my slides. If you have like 20 other slides, this is going to be very, very helpful. So let's click on this slide which has the animation, click on animate, and then you'll have the animation selected already. Underneath it, you'll see remove all my animations, and you'll also see apply to all pages, which is in purple button. So you can click this button to apply this animation to all the other slides in your Canva presentation. And now when we test this by clicking present, now it works on this one, and it works on that. As you can see, this is being animated, and it also works on this last one. So this worked nicely, and that's how you can do this in your Canva presentation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.